Is there anything you like better than a summer picnic? Not me. We're going to use today the microgreens from Caring Corral. This is a Decon Radish microgreen, which is kind of similar in the way it grows to a pea shoot, where it gets this little long stem that is edible and you do want to use it. When you harvest about halfway down so that you don't get the part at the bottom that can get a little bit bitter and the texture is a little more fibrous. I've harvested this, and most of it is going to go onto a shallow bowl with a paper towel over it, and I'll put it in the refrigerator, and now I can just grab them for every dish that I am serving. And it's going to add nutrition and some great flavor. I am falling in love with the flavor of microgreens. When you harvest it and you want to use it, I just gather it into a nice little clump and just start cutting across. Now, we are having today, and it's all ready to go, grilled sausage sandwiches and homemade potato salad. And so I have it added to that, and I'm gonna have a bowl right on the buffet table for people to add extra because they're gonna want it on everything from the sausage sandwich, the potato salad, on our watermelon. Get your microgreens today from Caring Corral. You're gonna fall in love with them too.